Right, this was our next stop, and of course it's Lumsden. So I'm going to show you around Lumsden now. There's heaps of cool stuff here, all about trains and stuff. So yeah, Lumsden right there. Let's have a look. Just going to pan out a little bit so we get a bit clearer. So here we go, Lumsden. She's on the way up from in between Invercargill and Queenstown. Look at this beauty here. Absolutely amazing. It's a great little spot. Don't drive past. Always come down to Lumsden. Check this out. Let's go. Please do not climb on the train. It's okay to go in the train though. So you can go in here. Just don't climb on the actual outside of the train. Carriage A525. Ojai Railway, carriage history. Amazing, eh? Look at this bit of history here. Look at that. This is the good old-fashioned carriage here. Looking forward to the old steam engine up the front. Oh, this is a great little thing. Right here in Lumsden, eh? Who would have thought? I've been through Lumsden like 15, 20 times, never even pulled over here. What a spot. But yeah, the kids would be freaking out. Be loving it, running around. So A525 history. Built New Zealand Railways at Addington, Christchurch. Served the railways until 1952. Check that out, eh? Oh, and there's a A199 restoration. Yeah, there we go. A111. Oh, A199. Minnie Dean. Let's have a look at Minnie Dean. Wilhelmina Dean, the Winton baby farmer who took the illegitimate children and then advertised them for adoption. In 1889, a 6-month-old infant died in her care. This was followed by another death in 1891, both of which were investigated by police. In 1892, after adopting a child for £25, Minnie drew the attention of the police, and her property was subsequently searched and found to be unfit for living. Wow. Look up Minnie Dean, guys. There's a bit of a story there, isn't there? Could that mean that you are standing in the carriage and looking at the locomotives that once transported Minnie Dean? Cool little bit of history. Wow, look at that. Look at that. The old steam engine pulled out of the dump. She was history. Now she's definitely history. B126 and V127. Check that out. If you want to have a look at that, guys, check that scan code there. You can see about the history. She's a beauty, mate. Heap of history in there.
I was just wandering around.
Oh yeah, that's a heap of history in there. You could just drive past, you wouldn't even know it was here.
Yeah.
Look at this one. This is like the ultimate carriage, this one. She's right at the end here. It's amazing. So come on down this way, guys. Come and check it out. Look at that. This old beautiful carriage. It's like the worst one. I thought it was the best one, but it's actually looking like the worst one in there. Amazing. Good old Lumsden, eh? Who would have thought? So don't drive past next time. Stop and have a look. So we're just going to check out a few more little things over here. They've even got stocks over here. Bring your mates down, chuck them in the stocks if they're getting married. This looks like something you used to use back in the day. Maybe to haul things up with, or coal or gold or whatever else it could be. So here we go, we've got an old jail here. So here's the stocks. It looks like they've made them really big so you can't stick your mate in there. So yeah, definitely too big for use these days. And here's a little jail. Look at that. Check that out. Got a little jail in there. It's probably better than being outside some nights. How chilly it is. At least you got a bit of something over your head. Look at that. Got trains over here. Got all sorts. I'm just going to go out the front of this building and then we'll pop back in there and have a look at those other train units. So we've got washing machines on the side of the road here. Travellers buy can stop and use the washing machines. Pay for, of course, but over the road there you got a Café Route 6 bar. So unlike America, we got Route 6 over here. So 5 Finger Crafts, art and crafts, and then we're going to go and have a look at those trains and carriages on the other side now. Big information board here. It was the coming of the railway 1876 that made Lumsden. So just have a look up the Northern Southland Heritage Trail and you'll see all that information there, guys. That's amazing. That's where the train is, just in there. Nice and covered to protect it. If we go over here, Lumsden Railway Precinct project. From vision to idea to reality. Check that out. 2013, Lumsden Heritage Trust formed as the trustees shared the common opinion that the railway station at Lumsden had a heart but was not beating. Check that out. What excellent people to do this. This is such a good thing. Look at that. Old engine there. The Drury Bley loco. All you train enthusiasts, check that one out. It's amazing. In 1968, Downers ordered the 5 locomotives from Bley Drury in the UK for the 6-kilometre Canoe deviation tunnel project, 1968 to 1973. I wasn't even born yet, guys. The 5 locomotives were then brought by Fletcher, Dillingham, Ilbell for the number 2 tail race project in Manapuri, 1983 to 2002. A work in progress. Wow. Look at these. Big old transporter units. Like a container. Got the sides on them for the open and close sideways. Check this out. It looks like a big old lathe. Check that out. Wonder if that was for milling timber. Kendall Gent, Manchester. So you can see New Zealand history, English history. She's all one really, isn't it? Good old carriages. Look at that. History in Lumsden, eh? Who would have thought? You can go up in here. Off we go. Steam engines away. I don't know, this is a locomotive, I think it was diesel. You wouldn't want to be using it these days with the prices of diesel. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. Got Māori colours on there and everything. She's a beauty. And here we go. We've got more about this Lumsden Railway project here. Absolutely amazing, guys. I hope you're enjoying the day because I'm loving it. Look at that. Over 100 years, the town played a big part in the railway industry for both passenger and freight. I have never knew there was that much history about trains and that in Lumsden. Absolutely amazing. What did you reckon, guys? Did you love it? I loved it. We're going to have one last look at this train here. The front of it. Big cow catcher on the front. I bet you that was for deer and stuff back in the day. Pigs, wild pigs and deer. There we go, we don't have cow catchers, we have pigs and deer catchers here. Look at that beast. She's a beauty. Absolute beauty. I've got to go around the other side and have a look. It's just too good to be true. Look at this, number 6. Number 6, we're on highway number 6. They got number 6 right there. Check that out. Don't you love it? Don't you just love it? Right guys, so Lumsden's full of everything. Got all sorts here. Got food. Supermarkets across the road there. 4 Square supermarket. A little bit dearer. So if you're going to a major city, go there instead. But yeah, it's definitely got everything you want. Yeah, so heaps to do. Kids, got everything here for the kids. Actually, you've got more here for the kids than most other places. If you do come here and camp, because you're allowed to, there's little spots where you can pull up and camp here, have showers and stuff like that. Just make sure you keep it nice and tidy, guys. You know what my channel's like. I pick up every bit of litter that I find. Actually got told off by my partner today because I was picking up litter as I came out of the toilet. But yeah, that's what you do. Look at that, it's even got a little train one for the kids. Isn't that cool? Absolutely amazing. What do you reckon, guys? Lumsden, what a spot. Come and give it a go. Like, you're driving up through Winton to Lumsden on the way to Queenstown, and it's just a great spot to stop. History. I bet you people just drive past, like me, 10, 15 times. No idea. The only times we come to Lumsden, these amazing toilets. The best toilets in New Zealand, I think. I'm not going to go and film in there, but absolutely clean all the time, cleaned regularly. Absolutely amazing. The best toilets around Lumsden. So this is kind of a spot here where you can come and freshen up and all that kind of stuff. And if we look around here, you've got little blue lines everywhere. That's for mobile homes. So if you hire a vehicle in New Zealand from a hireage firm, a mobile home, then you've got all of these spots you can come park at. So, yep, nice and easy. Okay, we're on to the next spot. We'll either be there or we'll see you next time, guys.